Deep within a lush, enchanting forest, four cows lived together in harmony. They were the best of friends, always finding joy in each other's company. There was Daisy, the kind one with a gentle moo, who always brought a sense of calm. Buttercup, the playful one, always flicking her tail, loved to make everyone laugh. Moonbeam, the quiet observer with her dreamy eyes, often lost in thought, dreaming of adventures. And lastly, there was Rosie, the brave one, always leading the way with courage and determination. These cows were inseparable. They grazed together, slept together, and always looked out for one another, sharing every moment. Their favorite spot was by the babbling brook, where the grass was always greener and the water crystal clear. The forest was their home, a place of peace, friendship, and endless adventures, where they felt safe and happy. The forest, however, was also home to many predators. There were sly foxes, cunning jackals, and even a fearsome tiger. But the cows had a way of staying safe. They knew that their strength lay in their unity. Whenever danger lurked, the cows would form a circle. Horns pointed outwards, they stood strong and united. No predator dared to attack them as a group. They were a formidable force, a testament to the power of togetherness. One sunny afternoon, a disagreement erupted among the friends. It started with a silly argument about the tastiest patch of grass. Daisy preferred the clover near the stream, while Buttercup insisted the grass was sweeter by the old oak tree. Their disagreement escalated into a full-blown argument. Moonbeam tried to intervene, but her soft moo was drowned out by the others. Rosie, usually the peacemaker, stormed off in a huff. "Fine," she bellowed. "We'll graze separately then." Section 4. The Hungry Tiger. Unbeknownst to the cows, a hungry tiger was watching from the shadows, his eyes gleaming with hunger and determination. He had been observing them for days, waiting for an opportunity to strike, studying their movements and habits. The tiger knew he couldn't attack the cows as a group, as they were too strong together. But now, seeing them separated and vulnerable, his heart leaped with anticipation, knowing his moment had finally come. He stealthily crept closer, his stripes blending seamlessly with the tall grass, making him nearly invisible. The tiger decided to target Rosie first, as she had wandered the furthest from the others, making her an easy target. He crouched low to the ground, muscles tensed, ready to pounce, every fiber of his being focused on the hunt. Section 5. Strength in Unity. The tiger lunged from his hiding spot with a terrifying roar, his eyes gleaming with hunger and determination. Rosie, caught off guard, let out a desperate bellow, her heart pounding in her chest as she realized the imminent danger. But it was too late. The tiger was too fast, too strong, and too close for her to escape. The tiger's powerful jaws clamped around her neck, and she collapsed to the ground, her legs giving way beneath her. The other cows, hearing Rosie's cry, looked up in horror. But fear paralyzed them, rooting them to the spot. They were scattered, alone, and unable to help their friend. Each cow felt the weight of isolation, their strength diminished by their separation. One by one, the tiger hunted them down, picking them off with ease. The predator's strategy was simple but effective. The once peaceful forest echoed with the cows' mournful cries, a tragic reminder of their broken bond. The air was thick with sorrow and regret. Had they stayed together, they would have been safe. Their collective strength could have warded off the tiger. The tiger, defeated and hungry, would have been forced to retreat, unable to face the united front of the herd. The forest whispered a solemn lesson that day. There is strength in unity, and division only leads to weakness. The trees seemed to murmur the importance of standing together, a lesson etched into the very fabric of nature.